In this video, you will learn about 50 common action verbs with sentences. Wake, wake. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Brush. She brushes her teeth after every meal. Eat. We eat breakfast together every day. Drink. He drinks a glass of water before going to bed. Walk. They walk their dog in the park every evening. Run. I run 3 miles in the morning for exercise. Drive. She drives to work in her car. Read. He reads a chapter of his book before bedtime. Write. I write in my journal every night. Cook. They cook dinner together as a family. Clean. She cleans her room every weekend. Wash. He washes his hands before meals. Shop. We go shopping for groceries every Sunday. Play. They play soccer in the park after school. Watch. I watch a movie on weekends. Listen. She listens to music while working. Talk. He talks to his friends on the phone. Dance. We dance at parties for fun. Sing. She sings in the shower. Study. He studies for exams in the library. Work. I work at the office from 9 to 5. Exercise. They exercise at the gym regularly. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Help. She helps her brother with his homework. Cook. He cooks a special meal for his anniversary. Travel. They travel to different countries every year. Invite. I invite my friends over for a movie night. Hug. She hugs her family when she sees them. Kiss. He kisses his partner goodbye in the morning. Laugh. We laugh at jokes during lunch break. Cry. She cries during sad movies. Workout. They work out together at the gym. Volunteer. I volunteer at the local shelter on weekends. Meditate. She meditates for relaxation. Plants. He plants flowers in his garden. Smile. She smiles when she's happy. Sweep. I sweep the floors every evening. Hike. He hikes in the mountains on weekends. Leap. The cat leapt over the fence. Sprint. He sprinted down the track. Halt. She halted at the red traffic light. Spin. The dancer spun gracefully on the stage. Dive. Tom dove into the pool to cool off. Juggle. Tim showed off his skills by juggling 3 balls. Flip. Sarah flipped the pancake with a swift motion. Gallop. The horse galloped across the open field. Whisper. Emily whispered a secret to her best friend. Stretch. Stretch your arms and legs before exercising. Melt. The ice cream began to melt in the sun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.